Today, what we boast about the university fail to realize that the very first university on whose basis we have the modern day universities was established in 859 Christian era in Morocco by none other than a Muslim woman by the name Fatima al-Fahri. Today, we have an university which is exclusive only for the girl students to acquire education by the name Princess Noura University in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, which at any given point of time has about 60,000 girl students acquiring education. And that university is built on 11 kilometers radius, and you will find trains running inside the university to transfer students from one block to the other block.
This is Princess Noura bint Abdul Rahman University, a modern campus deeply steeped in faith and tradition, representing the determined resilience of female students, employees, families, and visitors. Women who are overcoming all difficulties, striving to develop Princess Noura bint Abdul Rahman University's new fully equipped hospital, research centers, laboratories, academic buildings, and its spacious administration building.
Stand clear. The doors are closing.
Life is a ride, and every day of our lives is a new journey full of hopes, dreams, and challenges. Every day is a chance to renew and revitalize our careers and lives. This ride has many stops, many surprises, failures, and successes. Every day is a new opportunity to create the life we dream of. Some dream to be doctors, crossing all boundaries, and decide to offer a helping hand to everyone around, serve the community at large, and to be among the most advanced researchers in the world. Many dream of being educators, social workers, and translators, hoping to make a difference as they help mold the next generation of thinkers and innovators. Whatever their dreams, they share a way of life, a life deeply steeped in faith, knowledge, values, and beauty. A life demanding a special place with spirituality, recreation, entertainment, and above all, learning, discovery, creativity, and triumph. They enjoy and savor every moment of their journey. They gather with friends and family to recharge, interact, relax, and attend sport events in amazing indoor and outdoor recreation centers. Here, they can find the best environment to maintain a healthy lifestyle and ultimate peace of mind in 3 spacious recreation facilities, including swimming pools, fitness rooms, running tracks, outdoor courts, a large stadium, spa facilities, concession stands, lounges, prayer rooms, and a health clinic. They experience a variety of social and educational activities and develop lasting friendships as they meet people from around the world. Faculty and staff interact with others from across the globe, building a close-knit community and enjoying an enriching life experience. In this elegantly landscaped setting, they discover the significant relation between knowledge and faith, and connect with the past while establishing a new state of being and a proactive future. They cross milestones in women's education as they hold and attend large events covering educational and social issues, enriching their world and inspiring the community. This is Princess Noura bint Abdul Rahman University.